What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It would help the channel tremendously moving forward. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Today, we finally got a race lined up. We are racing a Gen 2 F1X Procharged Mustang. It should be a pretty good run. It's a fully built car, fresh build, and I'm definitely excited to finally get a run. I haven't really had any opportunity to run anything. I'm definitely excited to get this running. It's been a minute since we've done anything on the channel race related, so I just want a damn race and finally something lined up, and I took the opportunity to do it. My schedule lined up with his. I've been wanting to race this twin turbo car. Unfortunately, our schedules haven't lined up, so we haven't done that yet. You probably already know who I'm talking about. That should be a hell of a run. When it does finally happen, I know you guys are going to appreciate that run. With that being said, I'm pulling up. We're going to grab some E85 right now. Literally a quarter of a tank, so don't want to be running the pumps too dry. I don't want to be burning them up yet again. Alright guys, so I agreed to give him the hit. I don't know if that's going to play in my favor or not. It might not. This car sounds like a fucking monster, so we're gonna have fun. That's what we're here for. Guys, the GoPro actually died on the first run. I don't know what's up with this thing. It says it's like 50% and it just keeps dying, so we'll see. Well guys, that was a hell of a run. I didn't really expect it to go like that, considering I gave him the hit, but it is what it is. I'm definitely, I wouldn't say I'm shocked, but considering it was my third hit, because I made a pretty good hit to clean the tires, and then I kind of heat soaked on the last run, I'm not gonna lie. It still pulled him. Insane what this car is doing right now. In 75 degree weather, 80 degree weather, like a 2000 DA. Not bad at all. Alright guys, with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of runs you'd like to see me do next. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see next. Very happy with the results of today's race. Hopefully we can get some more cars lined up in the future. I got a couple of ideas that I want to get done. I just need to get back to making content, get back on the grind. I've been slacking on it. I've got a lot going on in my personal life that I don't really have time to really be with the car anymore like I used to be. It's turned more into a daily driver than a hobby car than anything. Yes, I'm dailing a 1,000 wheel horsepower car. With that being said, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I can't stress enough, please consider subscribing. Actually, make sure you subscribe. Just press that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm checking out.